Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trina. Thank you for vibing with me, aka TRENA. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribe, like, and share my video. But today I'm going to show you guys how to make some curry shrimp. Yes, make sure to make some curry shrimp, the real curry shrimp, and some white rice. So you guys sit back, enjoy, and vibe with me. All right. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys everything that you guys gonna need to make your curry shrimp and your white rice. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients you're gonna need to make your curry shrimp and your white rice. Okay. So you're gonna need some seasoning, ginger, garlic, pimento seasoning. You're gonna need a coconut milk for your curry shrimp. You're gonna have your curry powder, onion. You're gonna have yourself some red potato. Any potato you wanna use, you can use as well. Lemon to clean your shrimp. Some thyme. Bell pepper. You can use any color you want, flavor. Some green onions, which we call scallion. And some vinegar to wash your shrimp with. We're gonna put the shrimp or the rice. So you're gonna take your shrimp. Take a bowl. Peel it. So you want to peel it. Take your lime. You want to get squeeze it, kill the raw smell out of it. And take your vinegar. Take your scales off. You want to take your scales off of them as well. Okay, so I got it all peeled off. Okay, get that raw smell out. It takes away the raw smell. Okay, so it's all drain it off. Your shrimp. Okay. Water. Okay. Washed and cleaned. Your seasoning. I'm gonna cut them up. Slice them. Slice them. Slice them up. Not too big, not too small. Your onion. Get a red potato. Okay. You want to do them like this small. It's not that big. You can use any color potato, white potato as well. You don't have to use red. And like I said, the green onion, we call it scallion. Not a Jamaican way, a scallion we call this, you hear me? So yeah. Fold it up. Fold it up like that. And we have the thyme. Okay. All of that cover up. You know, you got the bell peppers, the onion, red potatoes, scallion, which is green onion, and some thyme. So we're gonna take the pot. We're gonna start the stove on medium. We're gonna put that there. Okay. So you get your olive oil. Okay. Your curry. What I do, I like to put the curry after I'll get hot and let it burn. You burn the curry first, okay? So while that is heated up, we're gonna get some rice to put in here. Some jasmine rice, okay? 3 cups of the jasmine. Wash it under cold water. Washing the rice. All white and pretty and clean. The water, you want to use 3 cups of rice, so you want to use at least 4 cups of water. Okay, 4 cups. Let the water heat up till it start boiling. The oil that was heated up for the shrimp, for the curry. I'm gonna take the curry. You got the oil and the curry in the pot. I'm gonna burn it a little bit. Brown, rolling, burn. And you're gonna take the shrimp. Okay. You're gonna pour it in here. Making some curry. Yeah, it's looking lovely. And you're gonna take your seasoning and you're gonna put it all in that pot with the curry. Okay. Put your bell peppers. Okay. Everything in there. That's how it looks. And stir it all up. Got it all stirred up. Okay. All covered. Cover it for your rice. Okay. The water is all boiling up. Okay. The rice. All right. Take butter. Okay. A little bit of salt. Then you take your rice. Okay. Okay, that's the rice. Okay. Okay. And then you cover it up and you let it cook. You let it sit there and cook. Then you're gonna take the coconut milk. You're gonna pour it in the shrimp. Seasoning. Seafood seasoning. Okay. You stir it up. Then you cover it up. Let it cook down. Wait till it's finished, and then I'm gonna show you what it looked like after. Okay, guys? Okay, so we're gonna take some black pepper. Okay. Okay, that's what it looked like. Some curry shrimp. Okay, and that's the rice cooking. All right. So I'm thanking if you watch me, you know. I'm thanking if you come up upon my line and vibe with me. Appreciate Uno, all of Uno, vibing with me. The one and only, aka Trena. Yes, Trena. The only one. Well, I'm finished with all the cooking, so I'm gonna show you guys what is the result with your curry chicken and your white rice. Okay? So you guys tell me what you guys think. Okay, this is the result. Hope you like my show. Thank you for vibing with me. And I appreciate you guys liking and sharing and subscribe my videos. So I appreciate if you could please continue to do so. I thank you guys. You guys could also do this at home. It's very easy. It's not hard. Okay. All you need is some rice, some shrimp, some seasoning, curry. It's very easy and it tastes very good. Okay, guys, so. Trust me, it tastes really good. You guys can do this at home. You'll love it. It's got a good flavor, good taste to it. Okay. It's a potato. Tastes really good. It's very tender. Like I said, I thank you guys for watching. So what you know what you guys can do is hit that like, hit that share, subscribe, okay? And I appreciate you guys. And I can't stop eating. Oh, sure. Tastes so good. I wish I could just give you guys some through the phone. When you guys do cook it, please comment below and let me know how it tastes. All right? Thank you guys so much, and see you guys next time. Thank you for vibing with your girl, Trena, Trena. Bye.